नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पॉलिनॉमियल्स या चॅप्टरमधील प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2 मधील एक्झाम्पल्स कसे सॉल्व करायचे ते बघितलं. नाउ इन दिस व्हिडिओ वी विल गोइंग टू सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल्स इन प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3. that practice set depends on synthetic division method. In last practice set we solved the division by normal method, means as usual method, but synthetic division method is easier as compared to that normal method. For that we must know the two main things, that is the quotient, the divisor must be of the form x plus a or x minus a, means this x is any variable with index 1 and its coefficient is 1. For example, in this example it is m minus 5, means we can multiply it by synthetic division method. And also we must to find the index form of dividend. डिव्हिडंडचा इंडेक्स फॉर्म काढणं गरजेचं असतं. नाउ सी हाऊ टू सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल्स युजिंग डिव्हिजन मेथड. प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3. क्वेश्चन इज दॅट सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग डिव्हिजन्स बाय युजिंग सिंथेटिक डिव्हिजन मेथड. सी दिस इज डिव्हिडंड and this is divisor. We write that dividend is equal to 2m square minus 3m plus 10, and check whether that dividend is already in index form or not. Highest power is 2. 2 plus 1 means 3, means there should be 3 terms in all. M square, after that m, and after that constant term, means m raised to 0. All terms are present and that's why not necessary to insert 0 for any variable. या ठिकाणी हा इंडेक्स फॉर्मच ऑलरेडी दिलेला आहे. नाउ द डिव्हायझर is equal to m minus 5, and here this minus 5 take its opposite, means opposite of minus 5 is equal to plus 5. या minus 5 चं opposite term आपण काढलं 5. Now we write down that like this way, these two perpendicular lines to this line we have to write the index form of this, and the index form, that is 2m square minus 3m plus 10, and it can be written in coefficient form like this way, this 2 minus 3 and 10, 2 minus 3 and 10, or you may directly write here 2 means coefficient of m square, coefficient of m is minus 3, and this 10 by leaving some space between two numbers. The opposite of minus 5 is 5, write down that 5 here. This first number 2 write down as it is to the lower side of this horizontal line. या आडव्या लाईनच्या खाली हा पहिला नंबर तसाच्या तसा लिहिला आहे. This 5 into 2 that is 10. 5 into 2 झाले, त्या ठिकाणी 10 तयार झालेले. minus 3 plus 10, आता हे सॉल्व करायचं आहे. minus 3 plus 10 आपल्याकडे मिळणार आहे plus 7. या 10 आणि 3 मधला डिफरन्स काढला 7 आणि 10चं साईन दिला प्लस. 7 into 5 35. 7 into 5 35, and this 35 plus 10 that is equal to plus 45. See how we solve this first term as it is, first number as it is. या नंबरने या 2 ला मल्टिप्लाय केलं. 5 into 10 to 10, minus 3 plus 10 that is plus 7, plus 7 into 5 means 35. 35 plus 10 that is plus 45. This last number plus 45, it is the remainder. And now these two terms, that is the coefficient form of divisor. Coefficient form of divisor is equal to 2 7. 2 7 means when we join the variable m, there is only power of 1 2m plus 7 and this is the quotient. So divider quotient. This is quotient and after that original quotient is 2m plus 7, remainder is 45 and now we have to write down the answer quotient and remainder. This is the answer. This is quotient 2m plus 7 and remainder as 45 and in this way we solve the example using synthetic division method. Now we take the second example. Same method is there, only numbers and variables changes. See the second example. X raised to 4 plus 2x cube, 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x, 4x plus 5 and divided by x plus 2. Again this is dividend, this is divisor. Means we write in first step dividend and when we write that dividend, check whether all the indices are present or not. Fourth power, third power, second power, one power and constant. All are present. Means not necessary to insert 0. Plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Dividend जसंच्या तसं लिहिलं आहे. Divisor is equal to x plus 2. Opposite of plus 2 is equal to minus 2. कोणाचं opposite घ्यायचं बघा या plus 2 चं. That is minus 2. Now we write down that synthetic division. Write down only coefficient from dividend. Coefficient is 1 here, coefficient 2, coefficient 3, coefficient 4 and coefficient 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that this opposite number minus 2 write down here. This one as it is. 1 as it is. This minus 2 into 1 means minus 2. 2 and minus 2, 0. Minus 2 into 0, 0. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 3 to the 6 and negative side. 4 minus 6 means minus 2. 2 into this minus 2 into minus 2 means 4. And that's why 5 plus 4 is 9. And this last number is remainder. Last number is remainder. And this all these terms, that is the coefficient form of quotient. Coefficient form of quotient. We write down that 1, 0, 3, minus 2. And that's why by using the variable x, we have to use variable x to this coefficient 1. Here total terms are 4. Reduced by 1 means power is 3. 4 minus 1, power is 3. Plus 0x square plus 3x minus 2. But this 0x square means 0. And that's why not necessary to write. 1x cube means simply x cube plus 3x minus 2 and that is the quotient and this is remainder. And in this way we solve this second example by using synthetic division method. Now we are solving example number 3. Example third is y cube minus 216. Now here we have to write down that dividend divided by y minus 6. This y cube minus 216. Here highest power is 3 but second power and one power is absent. That's why we can write like this way: y cube plus 0y square plus 0y minus 216. That is the index form. After that we can write down in coefficient form. The divisor is y minus 6. Opposite of this minus 6 is 6. या minus 6 चा opposite घेतला आहे 6. Now we write down it again in synthetic division form. The coefficients, that is 1, here 0, again 0, minus 260. Opposite number is 6 here. Write down this one as it is. Now this 6 into 1 means 6. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 6 are 36. 0 plus 36. 6 into 36, 216. Minus 216 plus 216, 0. And that 0 means last number of this step, that is the remainder. Now this 1, 6 and 36, that is the coefficient form of quotient. Coefficient form of quotient is equal to, in bracket, 1, 6, 36. By using variable y, we can write down that quotient as 1y square. There are 3 terms, that's why 3 minus 1 means square will be there, plus 6y plus 36, and that is the quotient, and this is remainder 0. And in this way we solve up to 3 examples. Again we are solving the next example. Before that, remember the subscribing the channel and share the link to your friends and colleagues. चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना व्हिडिओ शेअर करायला विसरू नका. Now the next fourth example, we are seeing that 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x plus 4x minus 2x square divided by x plus 3. Now we write down that dividend directly in the form of index, that is 2x4 plus 3x cube. After that this x square means minus 2x square, then this 4x plus 0. काय चेंज केलं लक्षात घ्या, मायनस 2x स्क्वेअर आधी लिहिला पॉवर 2 असल्यामुळे, and this 4x later, and constant term is absent, we have to write down for that 0. Now divisor is x plus 3, and opposite of this x plus 3, that is minus 3. Opposite of plus 3 is equal to minus 3, and now we can solve as usual. Write down these all coefficient in first step. Here 2, then 3, minus 2, 4, and last 0. And this opposite, that is minus 3. 2 first step as it is. This 2 as it is. 3 into 2 minus 6. This because of this minus sign. 3 minus 6 means minus 3. Now minus 3 into minus 3 become positive 9. Minus 2 plus 9 is 7. 3 into minus 7, that is minus 21. 4 minus 21 is 17. Negative 17. Negative 17 into negative 3 means 51. And this last step is 51. Last number is 51. And that is the remainder. See how we solve that? These 2 as it is. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6. 3 into minus 6 minus 3. In this way solve up to last number. And this is the coefficient form of quotient. Coefficient form of quotient is equal to, that is 2, minus 3, 7 and minus 17. Now we write down that quotient using the variable x. That is, there are 4 coefficients, means 4 minus 1 is 3, means highest power of that quotient is 3. means we can write down 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17, and this is the quotient, and this is example number 4. Now we can solve the next two example, but for this current year they are reduced, or you can practice the same examples with the help of these 4 examples. In this way we solve the synthetic division method. Again I repeat, try to understand. Write down this dividend in index form. If any one of the term is absent, then insert 0. या ठिकाणी बघा कोई कॉन्स्टंट टर्म नव्हतं म्हणून आपण 0 टाकला. आफ्टर दॅट राईट डाऊन डिवायझर x plus 3, take the opposite of this number, that is here minus 3. Write down all indices of dividend in first step. Here the opposite number, that is minus 3. Take this minus 2 as it is to the lower below the horizontal line. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6. 3 minus 6 minus 3. And in this way solve up to last number. The last number here obtained is the remainder, and these remaining numbers, that is the coefficient form of quotient, and with the help of given variable write down the quotient using this coefficient form वरून quotient आपल्याला लिहायचं. And in this way we solve the synthetic division. Please subscribe the channel and share the link or share the video to your friends. Okay.